Hi YouTubers, how are you today? Today guys, I am coming to you with a recipe. String beans, Hamhocks guys. That's what these are fresh picked string beans that have been in my freezer and I'm going to cook them today. So what we're going to do guys, I'm going to show you how we do this. I got my little things I'm going to use for my video here. Hope all of you are well today. You need a cap full of oil. So you just kind of take your oil, pour it in the cap, put it in just like that. Okay? And after you do that, guys, you want to go ahead and put about maybe 2 teaspoons of butter also in there. Like this. Maybe about 2. Just like that. And what you want to do is keep your heat down on medium and put all that love around. Now what I've done guys, I've washed these Hamhocks off. And I'm going to put them down in here along with some onion and garlic. I'm going to put it in there. I got this little bottle of water. And you want to take that just like that. And I'm going to pour just this little bit that I got left in there. I'm going to season this water up with some celery salt. Then I'm going to go in with some garlic powder. Okay. And then I'm going to go in with a little salt, just a little bit. Okay. And then I'm going to use white pepper. Okay. So, what you want to do is, I'm going to mix this around. And I'm going to put some water in my pot, guys. Let me get I'm going to show you how far I want you guys to put your water with this. I want you to overdo it. I want you just to fill it up right over the Hamhocks. Okay, let me get the water and I'll be right back. All right, guys, you see this water? Come into a cameraman so they can see. That's 3 cups of this right here, water. I'm going to take this and put it in there. And what you want this to do, guys, before adding your string beans, you're going to let these Hamhocks boil a half an hour before adding these beautiful string beans. You're going to let this boil about a half an hour. After half an hour comes, I'm going to come back, add my string beans, and show you guys. But now, this is the love of what you're going to get here. In your water, you have all that beautiful seasoning in there. If you choose to use different seasonings from what I have, go ahead. I know the holiday is coming up. This is an excellent recipe. You can add potatoes as well, but you don't want to add your string beans just yet. Let's get these babies boiling for about a half an hour and I'll be back. Alright guys, I'm back. Now let's go into the pot. Look at this pot guys. Come into it all the way in it. Do you guys see that? You see how those Hamhocks are? All of this love is in here and we're going to put those string beans in there. And I'm going to show you a secret weapon to having the best string beans in the world. Guys, apple cider vinegar. It's not going to taste like it. It's not going to give you a vinegar taste. But before putting your string beans in here, you just want to take a little cap full of this vinegar and put it in there. It's not going to hurt your string beans one iota. Not one bit. And you will have the best string beans ever. If you choose to let your Hamhocks boil longer than 30 minutes, fine. So we got our garlic in here. We have our onions cut up. We season it with what we want to season it with. These babies are going to be so tender. Now you're going to go in with your string beans and put them in. If you want to add potatoes to this, guys, you definitely can, which I will I am going to put those potatoes in here along with my ham hocks and string beans. And here's my potatoes that I'm going to put in with them. And I'm going to let these boil up. And I'll show you guys the end result of it. We got our string beans and potatoes and our ham hocks here. This is awesome for the holidays that's coming, guys. Or a Sunday dinner. Okay. So we're going to let these babies cook. I'm going to check them in about 20-30 minutes. And I'll be back. Come into it. I want all of them to see all that love in there. Don't forget your secret weapon, guys. Cap full of vinegar. Vinegar is in everything. You guys just don't know. All right. Guys, let's see what's going on in here. Look at there. All right, guys. I'm going to turn these off. Can you guys see that? Look at that, how tender that is. These are my string beans and potatoes, guys. Let's do it like this. I'm going to take and put some in a bowl. That's too big. I'm going to put this one back. This is a big mama right here. We're going to take her and put her back in there, guys. And we're going to put it like this. I'm going to get me a spoon or a fork, guys. This is my string beans and potatoes. You guys see that? And we're going to taste these. I'll tell you what they taste like. Absolutely delicious. If you guys enjoyed my video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and a comment, guys. They're absolutely delicious. Have a great day. Enjoy this video. Voila! Bye-bye.